and multiplication. We have to multiply. We're going to multiply in finances. We're going to multiply in Christ. Na philosophy yami bazalwane asiphilele kusonto sisondele uphiki. Na ufika la ufika esikoleni sempilo la uzotrainwa khona ukuthi outside there how do you live. That's why the greatest commission uJesu wasinikeza ukuthi go ye akade come here. So now we have to come here and be prepared so that when you go fully equipped. So a church is not only a place where we gather and meet and sing and all of that, but I strongly believe that this is a school of life, this is a training ground. Our relationships have to be sourced by God. Our jobs have to be sourced by God. You should be so excellent to such an extent that they want to promote you even if you are not qualified. So you have to excel in that dimension to such an extent, but so uNkulunkulu akakwazi ukulela umnyango and then bese usathana aqoqile iqhathini lomeni. Simply because you are not taught, you are not trained. We have people who are good in mathematics, who are good in science and all of that. Will make those groups, you will come and pass your matric with flying colors. Which if you know my tutor is someone that I fellowship with. There are two bricks that God is going to use to build, especially this ministry. The brick of love. One, we ought to love one another. Despite we ought to love one another. Genuinely so. uJesu bazonazi ukuthi nibafundi bami uma nishumayela cha, uma nifasta cha, uma nithandaza cha, kepha bazobazi ukuthi nibafundi bami uma nidlani nithandana.